show me colors. Ooh.
Hi and welcome back to the Vibrant Crafter channel. I'm Mandy Wildman and today we're going to be doing a very exciting unboxing. Some very kind soul sent me a couple of boxes of dolls, knowing that I love dolls and not needing the dolls anymore, so she sent them to me. The boxes are here and I can't wait to see what's in them. Let's go take a look. When the boxes arrived, they were a little bit damaged. Actually, they were kind of a lot damaged, and there were dolls kind of poking out of the boxes. But that didn't matter to me because I can't wait to see what's inside. The first guy out of here is, of course, a little Cabbage Patch doll, because people know that I love Cabbage Patch dolls. And what a sweetheart. Look at this, and look at the cute little outfit. Oh, this guy's going to be so easy to fix up and then donate to probably our local children's shelter or women family shelter. So he's gorgeous. And here's another beautiful girl, and she's in her original outfit. Yeah, it does need a little bit of cleanup, but that's easy. We know how to do this. And if you've seen my video on how to clean a Cabbage Patch doll, you'll know how to do it too. I think it should be, up here, or up here, I'm not sure, but I'll put a link. Another sweet little boy in a red outfit. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Look at the little dicky bow. That's what we call it in England. And he's got, I'm just going to undo his little jacket. And look at the outfit. What an angel. What an angel. Okay, great. He's here. He's going to be easy to fix up and donate. Wow, a twin to the earlier kid. So we've actually got a sort of a set of twins here, and a lot of people really love to collect twin Cabbage Patch dolls. They're in very good condition. I'll give them a little bit of cleanup, just because that's what I do. But it's possible to actually sell these guys as twins and then use that money to donate to the shelter. Now, I picked out this little umbrella. Can you see this? It's a sweet little parasol is what it really is, and it must belong to somebody. Let's find out who. Now, she left her shoe behind. Here's another piece to the mystery outfit. Let's see who this belongs to. I think I may have found her. This is really intriguing because I don't know who these dolls are. I don't know what kind of dolls they are, but I just want to show you this one's face. She's on a stand, and I think I'll take her off the stand for a moment. There we go. Slip that away. And I just want to show you her little face. And she's got an adorable hat. Does this go over the hat? I think it does. Or it did at some point. There we go. Clumsy! But what a sweet doll. And the final doll for this box has the most gorgeous, can you see this? The most gorgeous ringlets in her hair. It's a wig. And they are pinned, bobby pinned by the looks of it, but amazing ringlets. And she has a bonnet that goes with her outfit. I'm not sure if I can get it on while I'm doing a video, but we'll get them shaped up. And there's something, a tag, Suzanne Gibson. So this is a Suzanne Gibson doll. Again, she's on a stand. And she's got the sweetest outfit. She's missing one shoe, but it's actually in the box, so that's not a problem. And she's got bloomers that go with her dress. She's just an absolutely gorgeous doll. Here's a sweet little ceramic doll. These were very, very popular in the 80s, and just millions of them were made. And so they're not super valuable or anything. They just sort of have a love factor that goes along with them. And sometimes if they're damaged, I will use the wig. I'll recycle the wig and use it on another doll. And then I can also use the outfit on another doll as well. But this one looks to be in good shape. Here's another similar type of doll. Again, sort of one of the mass-produced ceramic dolls from the 80s and 90s. But she's got a little turn key in her back that indicates to me she's probably musical. Let's see. Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, that's the song. Now that's going to keep going for a while. Look at her. This is another lovely vinyl doll. She has beautiful sort of tan-colored eyes. Her hair needs a little bit of attention and she needs a little bit of a cleanup. But again, a really good quality doll. And she has a tag on her that says quality of West Germany. Now, it's not called West Germany anymore, so this doll is not a new doll, and I'll have to do some research on her, but she's absolutely delightful. Say hello. You can see her hair sort of needs a bit of fixing. Here's another ceramic doll, very frou-frou and flouncy outfit. You know, if you have any ideas for how I could make over these dolls to make them a little bit more appealing to young kids who are in crisis, who are in transition, let me know, and please put a comment down below, and I'll be happy to explore all options here. I don't really need an excuse to play with dolls. This little girl's a sweetheart. Again, another ceramic doll. Her hair also needs some attention, but look at her little boots. I don't know if you can see those. Aren't they cute? And bloomers. Boots and bloomers. This girl looks like she might be another doll from Germany. The Germans make absolutely wonderful toys and dolls, and she's no exception. She needs a little bit of cleaning up. Her hair is a little dry, so we'll be treating that. And the last doll I'm going to show you today that came out of the second box, she's also very sweet. She's got super dark brown eyes. Can you see that? And again, another sort of very fancy velvet dress. It needs a little bit of attention here. It's got some raggedy bits. But we can fix that up very easily. But one thing about this doll is she's been loved. Look at this. I think somebody probably treated her hair with a hot roller or a heating curling iron, and that's done some damage to her hair. So she'll need some attention before she can be given to somebody, because I like to donate dolls that look absolutely brand new, but still customized and individualized for each recipient. So there you go. Go lay down here with your friends, honey. So that's all I've got for you today. I really enjoyed opening the boxes with you and sharing that with you. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You know the drill. And again, I'm Mandy Wildman, and you're watching the Vibrant Crafter channel, and I thank you for being here today, and I'll see you soon. Take care.
Show me colors, ooh.